Hi everyone, I'm Dr. David Reath, and I would like to welcome you to our first edition of Corona Cooking. We're sheltering at home like pretty much everybody else in Knox County and many people across this country. And what we wanted to do is share with you some little tips about cooking, things that we're doing at home, maybe spice up something that you have around the house to just make it a little more interesting, such that you can find some comfort in the food that we're eating. So tonight or today, we're going to show you a very simple recipe for grilled barbecued chicken. We're using chicken breasts, as you can see here, and the main component for this, interestingly, is buttermilk. Buttermilk has lactic acid in it. We're going to marinate the chicken in buttermilk, and that lactic acid is actually going to help tenderize the chicken. Also, it will make it much more moist. So we take 2 cups of buttermilk, like that, okay? And we're gonna add to it a little bit of fresh ground pepper and some salt. And then for a nice little kick, we're gonna use half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. So, once that's all put together, we're just gonna mix this up, whisk it around, and then we're just going to pour it over to the chicken breast. And we just have 2 chicken breasts here, but this will actually serve up to about 6 chicken breasts. And what you want to do is just turn them over a couple times, make sure they're well coated by this marinade. There you go. And so now they need about 20 to 30 minutes in the marinade. Putting them in a whole lot longer is not really going to add anything to it. So about 20 to 30 minutes is what you need. And then what we're gonna do is just fire up the grill, kind of medium heat. We'll grill them, and at the end of the grilling, last time we turned them over, we just brush them with some of your favorite barbecue sauce. This ends up with a very easy, moist barbecue chicken breast, which I think you'll enjoy. So I'm gonna get the grill going. Okay, I've been to the grill. The breasts have been grilled nicely, brushed with some barbecue sauce the last time we turned them, and we're ready to eat. So, simple way to do a barbecued chicken breast, which will add a little flavor and spice up something that might otherwise be not as much fun. So from our kitchen to yours, thanks for watching Corona Cooking. If you'd like some more recipes, we do have a family cookbook right over here. And if you want a copy, just reach out to our office and we'll get it to you. So stay safe, stay well, and happy Corona Cooking.